Welcome to part 1 of the Advanced series. Today, we are diving straight into Grover's algorithm, one of the most famous quantum algorithms known for providing a quadratic speedup for unstructured search problems.
If you were searching through unsorted items classically, it would take you math call on operations to find the right one. Grover's algorithm can find it in just math call oa's skirt n. Operations using amplitude amplification. Here is how we translate the theoretical math into a working quantum circuit using Qiskit 1.0.
Before we write the code, let's break down the three distinct phases of the algorithm.
State preparation initialization. We apply Hadamard gates to all qubits to create an equal. Superposition of all possible states. The algorithm explores all these paths simultaneously.
The phase oracle, a black box operation that recognizes the correct solution, the target state, and flips its phase multiplies its amplitude. By -1, it leaves all incorrect states untouched.
The diffuser amplitude amplification, a geometric reflection that shrinks the amplitudes of the incorrect answers and grows the amplitude of our target state, which was flipped by the oracle.
By repeating the oracle and the diffuser a specific number of times, the probability of measuring the correct state approaches 100%.
In the early days of Qiskit, you had to build the diffuser from scratch using multi-controlled Z gates. Qiskit 1.0 simplifies this drastically with the built-in GroverOperator.
Let's search for the state. Vert 101. Wrangle in a 3-qubit system.
First, ensure you are running Qiskit 1.0 Plus and import the necessary modules.
We want to find the state, Vert 101 wrangle. Our oracle needs to flip the sign of this specific state. We can build this easily using Qiskit's quantum circuit.
Now we use Qiskit's GroverOperator, which automatically constructs the diffuser based on the provided oracle.
The optimal number of iterations k for finding one solution in n items is approximately frac pi4 squared n for 3 qubits. N equals 2 cubed equals 8, so the optimal number of iterations is roughly 2.
We will use Qiskit's local sampler primitive to execute the circuit and observe the probability distribution. When you run this script, you will see that the probability of measuring 101 is astronomically higher, typically 94% than any of the other 7 states. The amplitude amplification successfully pushed the quantum system toward the correct answer.